Hi, I'm James Inopia, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Social Studies. I'm here to talk about this understanding the basic concept in ICT or the Information Communication Technology. The terms and concepts in ICT. First, technology. Technology refers to a mix of processes and products used in the application of knowledge. These technologies are the following: laptops, cell phones, camera, and flash drives. Second is the ICT literacy, or the Information Communication Technology literacy, is the use of the digital technology, communication tools, and or network to access in order to function in a knowledge society. Third is the educational technology. It refers to the use of technology in teaching and learning. For example, most learners nowadays are visual learners. That is why it is an advantage when teachers use PowerPoint presentation in presenting their lesson. Digital literacy. It is the ability to find, evaluate, utilize, share, and create contents using information technologies and internet. It is also the ability to use information and communication, requiring both cognitive and technical skills. Next is the digital learning. It is any type of learning that is accompanied by technology or by instructional practice that makes effective use of technology. For example, the use of online learning through Zoom, Google Meet, and other online platforms that serves as virtual classroom as learners do synchronous and asynchronous meetings. Now let's move on to the online digital tools and apps used and internet connection. The common example of online digital tools and apps used and internet connection is Zoom. Zoom is a telecommunication application software product that specializes in providing video chat, voice calls between computers, tablets, mobile device via internet and regular telephones. Now, the offline digital tools and apps. Offline digital tools and apps includes Canary Learning. Canary Learning, it allows offline access for students to write homework and for teachers to grade it. We have also the KA Lite. KA Lite is a lightweight web application software that allows users without internet access to engage with Khan Academy videos and exercise in completely offline setting. An example of this is the Moodle app, which we can access it without an internet. The instructional technology. Instructional technology is the theory and practice of design, development, and evaluation of processes and resources for learning. Now, let's move on to software. Software refers to a program control instructions and accompanying documents stored on disks or tapes when not being used in computers. Software such as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and more. Multimedia. Multimedia is a sequential or simultaneous use of a variety of formats in a given presentation or self-study programs. An example of these are the audio lectures or podcasts that can be uploaded on the internet and be downloaded in MP3 format in order for the learners to listen and learn. Internet. Internet is a massive network of networks or a network's infrastructure. It is generally defined as a global network connecting millions of computers, forming a network in which any computer can communicate with any other computer as long as they are connected to the internet. World Wide Web. World Wide Web is a graphical environment on computer networks that allows you to access documents, sounds, and videos of the internet. It is a way of accessing information over the medium of the internet. It is an information sharing model that is built on top of the internet. Web access. Web access is the ability of learners to access the internet at any point during the lesson in order to take advantage of the area of available education resource. WebQuest. WebQuest is the inquiry-oriented lesson format in which most or all information that learners work with comes from the web. This can be created using various programs, including simple word processing documents that include links to websites. Productivity tools. Productivity tools refers to any type of software associated with computers and related technologies that can be used as tools for personal or professional classroom productivity. The example of these are the Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint presentation, Excel, and many more. Technology tools. Technology tools is an instrument used for doing work. It can be anything that help you accomplish your goal with the use of technology. For example, the data or calculation tools. These are the spreadsheets, Excels, sketchpads, and the probability constructor. We have also the email tools, which are the Google Mail, Yahoo Mail, and many more. Blog. Blog is an online journal where posted information from both teachers and students are arranged. There are three kinds of blogs: blogs used for communication, blogs used for instruction, and blogs used for both. Wiki. Wiki is an editable website usually with limited access. It allows students to collaboratively create and post written work or digital files, such as digital photos or videos. And Wikipedia is the one of the most widely recognized of all the wikis. Flipped Classroom. Flipped Classroom utilizes a reverse instructional delivery, where the teacher is required to use the web resources as homework or out-of-class activity as initial instruction of the lesson, which will be discussed during class time. Podcast. Podcast is a video or audio multimedia clip about a single topic, typically in the format of the radio talk show. And there are two basic functions of a podcast, which are to retrieve information and to disseminate information. Google Apps. Google Apps is a cloud-based teaching tool which is stored in the Google server and is available for students both home and in school. It includes the Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Sites, and Google Docs. Vlog. Vlog is a video blog where each entry is posted as video instead of text. Facebook. Facebook is a popular social networking site used by students and adults worldwide to present information on themselves and to the world. Facebook is one of the most used apps in the world, and it is defined as an online social networking website where people can create profiles, share information such as photos and quotes about themselves. The VoIP, or the Voice over Internet Protocol, is a category of hardware and software that enables people to use the internet as transmission medium for telephone calls by sending voice data in packets using IP rather than traditional circuit transmission.